Everyday Solutions, brought to you locally by the Bed Store.
Hello to you and welcome. I'm Kelly Parker. Thanks for joining us. Unfortunately, they happen every day on East Tennessee roads, and many of us have likely been involved in at least one in our lives. Car accidents can happen quickly, and because of the adrenaline rush, you may not recognize your injuries immediately. Our guest today says oftentimes those aches and pains develop over days, and some of them may linger much longer and cause long-term problems. Joining us today, we have Gary Adkins with Hotz and Associates. And Gary, thanks for joining us. You say oftentimes this happens with many of your clients. They're on the scene. They don't believe their injuries are really that severe.
Well, that's true, Kelly. And you know, if you've got a broken bone, you're going to know that. But if you've got a spinal injury, you won't realize it at first necessarily. Our spine is vertebra with disc material between them. Right. And sometimes in whiplash, for example, the spine can be compressed. The disc space can be compromised. It can move out of place, it can bulge, it can rupture, and that can in fact turn out to be a much more serious injury than a broken leg or a broken arm. It can even require surgery. Absolutely.
And a lot of times the car may have little to no damage, but that does not mean the person inside did not sustain serious injuries,
well,
right?
I'm glad you brought that up, Kelly, because I brought a little demonstration here. I've got some dishes, and I've got a briefcase. Which
this represents our car, right?
And you folks are the dishes.
Okay.
So, you know, you can just pick up a briefcase and
just like that, the impact of a car accident.
Absolutely.
Now we're going to take a look at the dishes inside, and just because the briefcase is not damaged at all, certainly does not mean that the inside the dishes aren't.
There you go.
And take a look.
And see, we've got some broken dishes here. And this is like someone's body.
Absolutely.
This is the car, which has no damage, and that's exactly what happens.
Absolutely. That's why you should call Hotz and Associates today, 637-9000. Thanks so much for all the advice today. And for more information, head to our website, momseveryday.com. We'll see you next time.